Alright, so let's open this up, man. Ooh, look at that. I think, guys, I like to buy stuff like every year. Don't you? That thing looks nice. Unboxing the Craftsman. It's 21-inch with big wheels. So here we have the bag. This is the bag, which we have to set it up. Here we have the oil and the shoe block. Alright, now let me get it out of this box. There it is. Got it out of the box. Man, those wheels are huge. Right? Right, buddy? That's Jetty, by the way. Jetty. Let's look. Oh, it's got this shoot black. I don't know why. That's gonna be a little difficult here. So you gotta put this on. I didn't know that. It's like maybe you have to do more work. This 7.5. I don't know what's strong. This will have 1 inch, 2 inch, 3, 4, and 5, and 6. Okay, we'll see what we can do. One hand using the Craftsman, man, on the hilly side. Testing the new Craftsman, this hilly lawn, man. This is a very steep part. With the whole yard is pretty steep. This goes all the way. I mean, we have to weed eat all of this. A part of that has to be done with the push mower. You can see that. So far it's handling pretty good. guys, this is pretty hilly. This is one of the very tough yards I have. This section right here I can do with the zero turn, but you have to go real slow. But this section from here, it has to be pushed the whole thing. Alright, this is the other side, the front, and as you can see, this is tough also. I can't get the zero turn in here, so I had to push all this with the push mower. And the easiest way we found out is start from the top and going up and down, up and down, up and down. So far it's really nice. I like it. One thing I noticed, it's lighter than the Honda over there. So, and it's really easy to, you only change it from one side, which is this right here. Switch it here, and both wheels move at the same time. Same with the back. One change it over here, and that one changes at the same time. So you don't have to come here and do this like the other ones. This is just one size, and high wheels definitely are the best. It's like for all terrains with these high wheels. They're easy to move, easy to turn around, and everything. This pace control, it is really nice. I like it. Pace control is really it works really great. So I've been testing it, and when I was the only thing, when I was mowing by the lake and by the big hill at the lake, there's a rod over here that goes through here and to the other side to hold this cover. Right there. It came, well, I guess when we're doing down the hill, the rod started coming out, like here, sticking out, and this came loose, this side. So I had to, when I got home, I pushed the rod back in with a hammer, and then I screwdriver, push it back in there, and it went back in. So hopefully it doesn't come back out. Other than that, it's fine, and I like it. We'll see how long this lasts. I just like buying new stuff like every year. That makes me excited, makes me test it, makes me wanna go mowing, makes me do things. You know, that's the way. I just like it, man. I just like it. So and that's what I think I'm gonna keep going. Just buying new stuff every year, buying new things, and see what happens. And pretty soon I think I'm gonna upgrade to a new mower. We'll see what's gonna be next. So if you're new to the channel, subscribe. Leave me a comment. You have a Craftsman, let me know what you think, and just see you in the next video, man. So look like it's about to rain. We need some rain, man. Like I said, we'll see what happens. Alright. So later, guys. Subscribe to the channel. Leave me a comment, questions, leave them down below. See you in the next one.